Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie in the Princess Charm School thing. So I did remove everything because I had to restart my intro, but for the hair, we're going to use this pigtail here and color this blonde. I just used this one. Positioned it at, also select no bangs. Positioned it at x.43, y.55, z.51. Rotate it at x.0.42, sorry, y.33, z.37, and scaled it to 0.25. I selected this hair in blonde in the long toggle as well. I don't think I made any adjustments, and then I selected this hair and colored it blonde and made a few adjustments here. Z at 0.53 for this position. And then for the tie, I use this pattern in these adjustments, position it at z.52 and rotated it at x.38. And then for this crown, I just use this gray here for both. For the position, y at 0.67, z.39, rotation x.18, and scaled it all the way to 0. Okay, let's get to the outfit. We are going to use the VIP item. I'm using this in white, and then in this blue color, 3D3E7F in silk, and then this kind of gold color in metallic. Don't mind the back, please. For the skirt, I just use this one in this pattern. And then I used these socks here in the high stripe socks in white. Oh, make sure you toggle it to no feet as well. Whoops. Select the shoes, color it this color, BB546C, and then add socks, color it white, and color it matte. For the last color, I'm just going to select the same color again. And that is it. You can carry books and whatnot, but I'm just going to leave it as is. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.